What is the importance of being a good leader, or one of the greatest asset of being a good leader? Hey guys, Kamar Gordon here from www.kamargordon.com. And today we're going to talk about the importance of being a good leader, and what makes a good leader. Real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the little bell so that you'll be notified whenever I am on. I'm sorry, whenever I post a vid. So today, I was speaking. I was speaking to leadership, um, at the base, and my my superior said to he made a comment about something, and I was really taken aback because one, he didn't appear as that person. He initially, he didn't appear as such, so I was really taken aback by it. He said to me, 6 years ago, he got, he was just private, and he tells me the whole 9 yards. But he said that he was always in good graces with his superior, because even when he didn't like what was being told to him, he he follow on regardless. Like his instructions, or whatever he was asked to, whatever information was whatever instruction that was given to him by the higher ups, he would get it done. And then what he would do is communicate, in a very respectful way, communicate how he felt. If something didn't feel right about it, he would you know tell his superior in a very respectful way. Now, today, an instruction was put out to me. I didn't like it. I got it done, but I went back and I say, such and such and such, I didn't feel comfortable doing this because of XYZ. And, he said to me, but you did it anyway, correct? And I said, yeah, I did get it done. I'm just saying that, I didn't like that. And to me, on my initial meet with that superior, I from the conversation that we had, I took away that he was just, cocky or arrogant or whatever. It's really hot. It's really hot, guys, because I'm in my uniform, so I'm double dosed hot. So I might be sweating, but don't mind it. Just listen to the story and subscribe. But yeah, so my first meet with him, I just thought that, he was just cocky and arrogant. But, upon having that conversation with him, he said that, he even said that, hey, I'm not cocky, I'm not arrogant, but this is why I do this, or this is why it is done this way, kind of, sort of, stuff like that. And he said that 6 years ago, I was this kid, or I was that kid, or I was, XYZ, or whatever the case is. And I'm like, wow. So it just took you 6 years to get where you're at right now? And he was like, yeah, right? And he said that, he said to me, he said, Gordon, some of the best leaders out there, some of the greatest leaders out there were the best followers. And it's not to say that, oh, just follow around everybody, or follow, everything that's put out to you. It's practicing, practicing whatever it is, and, doing it over and over, no matter how you may feel about it, doing it over and over. Listen more than you talk. And I took away from that message today that, in all whatever we're dealing with in our lives, sometimes if we just step back, look at the situation, assess the situation, and move forward, we would make, better moms, better dads, better bosses, whatever it is, but we would be better at leading people, or people listening to us, right? And following whatever is asked of us, or whatever it is. That same method, I am planning on using. I was using somewhat of it, but I'm planning to utilize it more in online marketing, right? So I put the information out there, and I listen to what the people that are watching me, I listen to what they're saying, right? A lot of people say, oh, the market will come, and and so on and so forth. But I look back and I'm like, no, we need people to listen to us. So what makes it any different for people online that's going to buy our product, that's going to watch our videos, like right now, you're sitting there watching me, and so on and so forth, right? So sometimes it's best if we just sit back and allow the follower to lead us, right? And in return, we're now, quote unquote, the follower in a sense, and it makes a better character of us. It makes us, just better at what we do, whatever we're doing. And it was a humbling story today, and I said I'm gonna talk about that for my viewers out there today. Sometimes it's best if we just sit back, relax, and just follow whatever it is. Just follow. In online marketing, it can get competitive. It can get very hectic, and everybody's a number one this and a number one that. How about we be the number one follower? The number one follower. We are going to follow, you that's listening in for a while. Just talk to us, and we will go accordingly. Okay, so thank you guys for listening. It was just an eye-opening moment for me, just sitting there talking to my superior, because initially when I met him, I just thought that he was just arrogant and cocky. And today I can say that I was wrong. I was so wrong. He is a pretty nice person. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't touched that bell that notify you whenever I post a vid, please go ahead and click that bell. I put out daily nuggets. I put up videos for you, my watchers. So if you would like for me to discuss anything, just leave a comment in the box below. I go through my messages daily. I respond. And I am here for you guys. I'm an online marketer, yes, but I am here for the people viewing me, because without you, I'm nothing. You understand? Without you, I wouldn't have this channel. You come on, you watch, and keep my page alive. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for coming on here daily and listening to my message that I have to put out for the day. I'll leave my Facebook information down below, so you can reach me on Facebook. Whatever you'd like. If you would like to send me a private message, please do go ahead. Send me a friend request if you'd like, and let's chit chat. Let's see how I can help you be a better follower. Let's see how I can help you be a better leader, and vice versa. In that sense, you're helping me be a better follower and helping me be a better leader. So until next time, guys, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.